I was trying to say. So we decided it is time to get out of the house. It's almost going to be noon. And it is such a beautiful day. I will show you in a bit because I tried to a few seconds ago and it did not work out. The gush of wind just came in. So we got the kids all strapped in. Adrian did not want to change into his beach clothes. You ready for the beach, Papa? No, okay. Well, he's a little grumpy, but I am pretty sure that once he sees the water, he's gonna be fine. Right?
Mommy? You sound like Fizzy Toy Show.
I sound like the Fizzy Toy Show. I think all YouTubers have that YouTube voice. I think we all change our voice for the YouTube, Mama. Alright, let's go.
Wake up and smile, 'cause it's been a while. It's been like a whole day since I stopped so you could hold me. But this child awaits, strong in the faith. Lord, you are the refuge that I can't wait to get to. 'Cause I can't let a day go, can't let a day go by without thanking you for the joy that you bring to my life. And ooh, so true, I can never get enough of you. This feeling can't be wrong. I'm about to get my worship on. Take me away. It's a beautiful day. Yeah, yeah, yeah. It's a beautiful day. Yeah, yeah, yeah. When trouble seems to rain on my dreams, it's not a big deal. Let it wash all the bugs off my windshield. 'Cause you're showing me in you I'm free. And you're still the refuge that I've just got to get to. So I won't let a day go, won't let a day go by. So put the drop top down, turn it up, I'm ready to fly. And ooh, so true, I can never get enough of you. This feeling can't be wrong. I'm about to get my worship on. Take me away. It's a beautiful day. Yeah, yeah, yeah. It's a beautiful day. Yeah, yeah, yeah. I've got no need to worry. I've got no room for doubt. No matter what's coming at me, you'll always be the beautiful I sing about. There ain't no limitations to your amazing grace, your amazing grace. And there's something about the way your love shines on my face. Oh no, I can never get enough of you.
Santa got in your eye. Give me a beautiful smile. And your eyes closed. Okay, so you found a piece of trash. It was floating in the ocean? Yeah? And what are you going to do with it? You're going to recycle? You're going to throw it away? What were you telling me about the turtles?
They're in danger because some of them died because they ate bags.
Some of them died because they ate bags? Wow. People just throw it in the ocean, huh? Oh, pick it up, don't actually do it.
They're like doing that.
Adrian, be careful over there. Not a bad mom, guys, I swear. It's really not deep at all. Adrian, come on. You're gonna float away, come on. Those guys are ruining my perfect shot. They're sitting together. Move, guys, move. Hi, Adrian. The sand on his forehead, what? Adrian! Oh, I wasn't even showing him. You want me to go in the water with you?
Huh?
Over there?
Yeah.
Okay, let's go. Okay. Where the hell did I go? Come here, hold my hand. I'm scared. Hold my hand. Oh, it's so cold. It's so cold.
Wake up and smile, 'cause it's been a while. It's been like a whole day since I stopped so you could hold me. But this child awaits, strong in the faith. Lord, you are the refuge that I can't wait to get to. 'Cause I can't let a day go, can't let a day go by without thanking you for the joy that you bring to my life. And ooh, there's something about the way your sun shines on my face. It's a love so true, I can never get enough of you. This feeling can't be wrong. I'm about to get my worship on, take me away. It's a beautiful day. Yeah, yeah, yeah. It's a beautiful day.
Do you guys remember how the water looked when we first got here? The first water scene? There's the steps and there's no water. What happened to the water, guys? Any ideas? No? What happened to it? Did a big giant come and drink it? So we had fun at the beach, right guys? We had fun at the beach? Oh, look at Adrian. He's about to pass out. I'm trying to keep him awake because we're done at the beach, but now, what is it? It's 2. What time did we get to the beach? We've been there for 2 hours and I mean, this happened at the pool on Saturday, but it's like hurting way worse now. But anyway, can you guys even hear me with the air on? So we were at the beach for a while. Now we're heading to, where are we going?
I'm not gonna tell them.
You're not gonna tell them? Should we keep it a surprise? Alright, we'll keep it a surprise. And yeah, we'll keep it a surprise. Let's go.
Is it recording?
Mm-hmm.
So you and mommy, me and my mommy and my little brother that's always tired. Hi, Adrian. So we are going to a surprise to show you. You guys want to guess? If you said the Ferris wheel, no. I'm gonna give you guys a clue. We're going to. We already played. So what do we need to do next? Let us know in the comments down below. So here's mommy driving. Right there, you see her hair. And guys, I will tell you what happened. We were at the pool on Saturday and she couldn't reach her back. So she couldn't put it on. So she sunscreen, and then she got sunburned. And I was like, I should have put it on you, mommy. I was like that. Like I shouldn't have helped my mommy. And now you guys know it is Halloween.
We're at McDonald's.
Oh yeah.
Tell me that's not creepy. Tell me that's not creepy. The kids are off playing. I'm not gonna record them because there's a bunch of other kids here. But yeah, we went to the beach. Now they ate. I got my protein shake. I actually made a chicken crispy wrap or chicken wrap grilled fit into my macros. I already had it logged in, so I didn't bring any other snack. And then I get here, I order their food, and I realize I don't have enough for my food. I barely had enough for theirs. So I'm stuck with just my protein shake, and hopefully they tap out soon, because I'm not sure how long this is gonna hold me over. It's 3:07. I'm hoping by 4 it's a good time to leave. Every time we go to a playground, I always let them stay for as long as I can hold out on, or as long as they can hold out on. Like, if another kid comes in, then we'll stay. And then once that kid leaves, once the last kid leaves, that's when we'll go. Just because I know they like to get that playtime, especially Adrian. With him not going to school, he doesn't get any other kid interaction. So I try to hold on, off from leaving as long as I can. But being off base and I don't have a snack, and Adrian is tired. He was sleeping, and then he woke up when I put him down. But I don't think we're gonna be here for 2-3 hours. But we'll see. There's a whole lot of kids. I always... Okay, he's laughing.
He's okay.